No. Hello guys, today Kayla making my dinner. Making ramen. What you putting, Kayla?
I put tajin, lime sauce, chicken ramen, chili garlic sauce,
Bullion.
onion powder. I didn't put the extra bullion.
Okay.
And onion powder. And for me, I didn't put the tajin and lime. I just put the chili garlic and the onion powder, the garlic, and the extra bouillon.
Yeah, let me tasting now. It's a little hot.
You think?
Yeah.
I put extra lime. I put extra lime.
It's very good.
Poured like almost half the bottle. I'm just kidding.
It's
But I
very
poured at
good.
least a quarter.
That's good. I can taste the lime, and the tahini.
I made sure I put extra tahini too.
Okay, guys. Anybody should want Kayla make a dinner? Don't forget to subscribe and let her know she can make it your own dinner.
And check out Venus 1129. And by the way, guys, it's the Ferris wheel. But if you want to see any other food videos, I can make eggs, I can make bacon, I can make hash browns, I can make fries, I can make nuggies, I can make ramen, I can make tacos, I think. As long as I just have some ground beef and stuff, I'd be probably good. And mostly a lot of things. As long as there's no stove, I can use the microwave, air fryer, maybe oven, just with a little bit of help getting it out.
Yeah, okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell button
Hit
and
the
like.
bell. Bye.
But if you don't like this video or subscribe, you will make Cinco unhappy.
And don't believe that one. Don't believe everything we say, guys. Okay, bye.
Believe it! Naruto Uzumaki.
Bye.
Watch anime!